Place your pan-tilt-zoom camera where it can see the largest uninterrupted sweep of your property without obstruction. For large yards, deploy the pan-tilt-zoom at a central high point, such as a gable end or a dedicated mast, to maximize a full 360-degree sweep and minimize blind spots. Aim for at least 20 feet of elevation on a single mounting point to reduce foreground clutter and give the lens room to track subjects across long distances. Configure and test preset patrol patterns that move slowly and predictably while stopping long enough at key zones such as driveways, gates, and side yards so the camera can lock on if motion appears. Turn on motion-triggered auto-tracking, but limit sensitivity and define exclusion zones to avoid constant reactivity from trees or animals. Use a short buffer that records a few extra seconds before triggers to capture context. Use vibration-resistant mounts and sealed conduit for wiring to prevent image blur and water intrusion. Check torque on all fasteners and add a small anti-vibration pad if wind causes oscillation. Complement each pan-tilt-zoom with at least one fixed camera covering high-risk approaches or blind spots so you always have a stable wide-angle reference even when the pan-tilt-zoom is moving. Homeowners often mount pan-tilt-zoom too low, which leads to occlusion by shrubs and easy tampering, so raise the unit and protect the wiring with locked conduit. Another issue is excessive patrol speed, which makes tracking distant targets blurry so slow the sweep and increase dwell time at important angles. People also rely on a single moving camera for everything, which creates gaps during repositioning, so pair the system with fixed cameras for continuous coverage and use preset handoffs between devices to keep eyes on a subject. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with a focus on project planning and local leads related to outdoor camera deployment. We host a discussion community where members share placement tips, product experiences, and installer recommendations to help both homeowners plan and contractors find relevant work.